Why pay dealer prices to replace your catalytic converter when you can have it replaced at great savings? You would be amazed at the savings. When using a MagnaFlow catalytic converter, they are available in two configurations, direct fit and universal, and we stock both types for your vehicle. Are they compliant with state laws? OEM-grade catalytic converters are manufactured to be compliant for OBD2, 1996 and newer, vehicles with California or federal EPA emission systems. Now if you are looking for deep, mellow, and throaty sound, we just may have the right kind of muffler replacement for your beast. Just call us and let us know what kind of sound you would like, and we'll match you with the right muffler replacement. Whether is MagnaFlow, Flowmaster, Borla, or any other major brand, we have them all in stock at our shop. Just call us and we'll match you with the right tune. The best part of all? We can all do it while you wait. Just call us with all the details and we will fix you up with the best exhaust sound you've ever heard. Have questions? We have the right answers. Call us. Or just drive by and visit us.